If you've been resolving all year to finally get a Singer Featherweight 221, here's your chance. This beautiful featherweight was born on January 29th, 1957, and it is everything about perfection. We are really selective about how we pick any of our machines that we're going to be selling on eBay, but particularly when it comes to featherweights. And this one has gotten very, very modest use. It comes with an original case, a number of attachments, and you can see for yourself through the camera the decaling, the paint, the finish. It is just a mint machine. Let's go ahead and start on the bottom right hand side, right near this guide for winding a bobbin. And notice as well, hopefully the camera has a shot of this general area right here. Look at how perfect that crest is as well. It really is the badge of the machine, and again, because this machine has been so modestly used, look at how perfect it is. Right in this area we've got a couple of things I'll point out real quick for you. This is obviously our on and off switch for the light. And this is our guide for winding a bobbin. The thread would come off the top. You'd come through this single guide up here towards the hand wheel. You'd place your bobbin here and then engage this to the hand wheel. Once that bobbin is full, you simply rotate this back up again. Drop right down to the stitch length control area right here above where the badge for the machine is. Right here you can see that we've got a very wide range for stitch length variation, anything from 6 stitches per inch all the way down to 30 stitches per inch. And you'll notice as well that it measures it both in a standard type inch measurement and also in a metric measurement as well. You've also got this nice lock feature, so once you set that stitch length, you can rotate this down and lock it in place, and you don't have to be concerned about potentially bumping it and having a project outcome that's unexpected. Also, by moving this control all the way up, you can easily sew in reverse as well. Let's go up towards the top of the machine. You can see obviously right here we've got that single spool pin. As we come across, you can see that threading this featherweight is very simple. Come through this single thread guide, down through the tension control area, up to the arm, and then all the way down to the presser foot. And I'm going to rotate this bed down as we get down to the presser foot area. Notice the amount of clearance underneath that presser foot, and that's why so many quilters love to have featherweights, because you can fit multiple layers of quilt batting underneath that presser foot with no difficulty whatsoever. Also, if the camera's able to get a shot, I'll kind of rotate the machine just slightly forward. We've also got those wonderful quilt markers so that you're able to use those as well for greater precision when you're working with various seams in that. I'm going to rotate this bed back up, and we had talked before about the stitch length on this machine being huge. Take a look at an applique that we did, and obviously this has more of a kind of a fun Christmas theme to it, but look at the work that this little featherweight did. It's just absolutely amazing. These quilting accent points that are real close to that 30 stitches per inch. And then as we move to the outer edges, right around here where the frame is for this applique, we're pretty close to that 6 to 7 stitches per inch. But the final product, using strictly the featherweight machine, which is a straight stitch machine, is just a beautiful representation of what this machine can generate with just a little bit of creativity, and you're capable of generating something like this just as easily as we can with a quality machine like this. Also, as with all of our machines, we're going to be including an owner's manual. This is obviously a reprint, but it has all the original content that the Featherweight 221 manual has in it. It does two things. Number one, it's going to help you to maximize this machine. When we send a machine to a buyer, we want them to just have fun with it, and this is a wonderful resource to have them be able to really enjoy it and just have you being able to really maximize it from the get-go. You're also going to be able to use this as a resource to maintain the machine. Now when you get it, you don't need to worry about doing anything in the way of service to it, because we spend on average 6 hours on every single machine. And this Featherweight, I think we spent closer to 10 hours on it, checking it inside and out, servicing it, timing it, lubing it, everything that needed to be done. So when it gets on your doorstep, if you're the winner, just have fun. But as that routine maintenance comes due, this manual will guide you through the very simple steps of maintaining this machine at the optimal level that you'll get it in. Now, if this isn't enough reason to bid and to bid to win this gorgeous Featherweight, especially if you've been going through all of 2011 saying, I'm going to get a Featherweight, I'm going to get a Featherweight, and you haven't done it. Well, we're almost to the new year, so you can resolve to win this one because it is gorgeous. But we want to give you even more incentive to bid. And we're going to do that by throwing in a couple of fun bonuses, as we typically try to do. And since a number of people at Christmas time and around the holidays will wear pearls and also will get pearls, we thought we would include this neat evening bag, which is all pearl accents. I don't think that they're all genuine pearls, but it really is a gorgeous bag. And then also this beautiful watch that complements it nicely. So if you're the winner, all you have to do is win this beautiful machine, and these will be included with the machine as an extra bonus. Make sure you check out our other videos as well. We're going to show you how beautifully this Featherweight 221 sews and gets the job done.